Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Marburger. I am here with a math lesson for you today. So I'm actually going to be using one of the papers from the packet that some of you might have picked up from the school. I know not everybody maybe had a chance to get that. Let me just show you what page I'm using. It's called Planning a Party, and it is page 92. It looks like this. We're going to do the first one together, and then I'm going to have you do the number 2 and 3 on your own, and then we will check it to see if your answers were right. So let's start with number 1. I'm going to read it to you. It says, the party store sells cups in packs of 8. Ms. Ruiz wanted 15 packs of cups. She bought 10 packs of blue cups and 5 packs of purple cups. How many blue cups did she buy? How many purple cups did she buy? And how many did she buy altogether? So you might have noticed as I was reading this that this is a multi-step problem. So you'll have to complete different steps to get then 3 different answers because there's 3 different questions being asked. So let's look at this again. I'm going to read it a second time. We always read it 2 times, remember. The party store sells cups in packs of 8. That's important. So you might want to jot this down, that the cups come in packs of 8. Ms. Ruiz wanted 15 packs of cups. So the cups come in packs of 8. She wants 15 packs. She bought 10 packs of blue cups and 5 packs of purple cups. How many blue cups did she buy? How many purple cups did she buy? And how many cups did she buy altogether? All right, so we want to start off by, I'm going to make some notes here. We have 8 in a pack. Okay, altogether, she buys 15 packs total. We also know that she buys 10 packs of blue, and then she buys 5 packs of purple. Okay, so the questions are, how many blue cups did she buy? How many purple cups did she buy? And how many cups did she buy all together? Okay, so let's start with the blue cups. If she bought 10 packs of blue, all right, and how many come in each pack? 8. So that's 10 times 8. And then that will tell you how many blue cups she has. So what is 10 times 8? 80. We're going to use the same strategy to find the purple cups. So how many packs of purple did she buy? 5. And how many cups come in each pack? 8. So 5 times 8 will tell you how many purple cups there are. So 5 times 8 is 40. Is that what you got? I hope so. Okay, so we know how many blue, we know how many purple. What's that last question we need to answer? How many total did she buy? So that means the blue and the purple together. So we could do that 2 ways. We could simply add 80 plus 40 and get our answer. Or what multiplication problem could we solve to get that answer? 15 times 8, right? So let's try it both ways. Let's see if we get the same answer doing it both ways. So 80 plus 40, that total is going to be 120. And the label for that would be cups, right? So we think the total cups would be 120. If we were going to solve it using multiplication, let me switch my colors now so it stands out. Let's do multiplication in blue here. And hopefully we get 120 again. So the problem would be 15 times what? 8, because there's 8 in each of those 15 packs. So what we could do is we could break this apart. This is one of my favorite strategies to use. Let's break apart that 15. Instead of 15, let's make it, what? Do you know what we would break it into? That would make it easy. How about 10 and 5? Okay, so now we have 10 times 8. 10 times 8 is 80. And then we do 5 times 8. 5 times 8 is 40. Hey, that's the same numbers that we got up there, right? And then when we add that together, we got 120. So 120 cups would be the total. And now we found all 3 answers for question number 1. Your assignment right now is, I'm going to hold this paper up. I'm going to fold down the number 1 because we've already done number 1. And you will just see numbers 2 and 3. When I hold this up, I think maybe what you could do if you don't have this paper, page 92 with you from the packet, maybe you could pause this so that you can read the problems and work them out, and then unpause it so you can see the answers, okay? And if you are working it out on your paper, if you have this paper in front of you, I still want you to pause it, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to run through the answers, and I want you to have your work done before you listen to my work that was done. Okay, so here are the questions. Hopefully this will work. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying my best. So you might want to hit pause now so that you can have this in front of you. And then work them out. Remember to answer each part of the problem. And then when you think you have the answers, you can unpause it and see if your answers were right. Okay. Oh, I almost showed you my answers. All right, so you should have worked out the second problem and the third problem. Let me just read them quickly before I tell you what I got as my answers. So for number 2, it said, Ms. Ruiz bought 12 packages of plates for the party. Each package contained 15 plates. She bought 10 packages of small plates and 2 packages of large plates. How many small plates did she buy? How many large plates did she buy? And how many plates did she buy altogether? So for that question, I got, this is my answer, 150 small plates, 30 large plates, and total 180 plates. Now, boys and girls, you know that sometimes I make mistakes. So if I happen to make a mistake in any of my videos, you definitely have every right to correct me. I don't want to go around telling people the wrong answer. Just make sure you do it politely. You could email it to me and just say, hey, you might want to go back and check your math for that one. But I'm pretty sure that this is right. Because if there's 10 packages of small plates and there's 12 packages in, I'm sorry, there's 15 plates in each pack. So that would be 10 times 15 would be 150. And then 2 times 15 is 30. And then the total, 150 plus 30 would be 180. I'm pretty sure that's right. All right, last one, number 3. Ms. Ruiz also bought forks and spoons at the store. The forks and spoons come in packs of 9. She bought 10 packages of forks and 7 packages of spoons. How many forks and spoons did she buy altogether? This is what I have as my answer. For the forks, it says she had 10 packages of forks, and there's 9 in each package. So that would be 10 times 9 gives you 90. Spoons, she bought 7 packages. So 7 times 9 is 63. Then when you add them together, you get 153 as your total. Okay, so I have one more thing to ask you. What I want you to do, this is your assignment, is to create a word problem similar, where you have maybe packages of something, numbers of packages, and how a certain number of something in a package. And I want you to create your own word problem with questions to go along with. And I want you to type it up and send it to me on a Google Doc or on a slide. And I also want you to tell me the answers, okay? And maybe I might use some of yours in videos that I'm going to be making in the future. So if you make up some good problems, I might give those problems to the rest of the class. So that would be cool. So if you can get me your created question by Wednesday, that would be wonderful. Okay? If you have any questions, make sure you just email me, and I will get back to you. Okay? Bye. Don't forget to do Dreambox every day. Don't forget to do extra math every day. I'll be checking. Okay. Bye.